Hi guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and self-care is really important, especially hygiene. And that's why I always make sure I have a good bar soap that smells nice and makes me feel like my skin is super clean and soft. And this Palmolive Naturals soap, this one is the olive oil and aloe vera one. I love. I've been using this soap for a long time and I really feel like it does the job. I actually have two bar soaps. I have one to wash my hands because I think it's pretty gentle with sensitive skin. It has moisturizing nutrition. It will leave your skin super smooth. I also use this bar soap for my body and even for my face because again, it's pretty gentle. It's really good on sensitive skin and it makes a lot of foam. So you won't need much in case you're using any shower gloves or any cloth to take showers. You won't need much, so it will last for a pretty long time. I love how clean and fresh I feel after I take a shower with this palm olive bar soap. This is the olive oil and aloe vera one. It's something that I try to get as often as possible because it's one of my favorite soaps and it smells really good. And that's my point of view.